Is AI effective against spam and phishing? Can it guarantee email security? At Mailtrap, we interviewed one of email security experts. Continue watching to find out the answers and get expert tips on using the right AI models. Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. When we talk about email security and AI, we're mainly talking about preventing spam and phishing. And interestingly enough, you don't need AI to detect spam words or spoofing within the email, or to check sending patterns. These can be easily done with third-party tools or some coding. However, to effectively classify an email as spam or ham, you need text analysis, which can't be done without AI, as you typically need a human for that task. Text analysis can be used to determine whether the email content creates a sense of urgency or fear, or to check whether the website associated with the sending domain is legitimate. AI, and the natural language processing model in particular, easily takes care of that task based on how you train it. It can summarize text and categorize it as spam and not spam. This makes NLP the most important AI model in terms of email security. But what about other common models used for spam and phishing detection? You've probably heard about anomaly detection, deep learning, machine learning, etc. These are usually labeled as effective measures against spam and phishing. Well, as the email security expert suggests, things aren't that straightforward. And as we proceed to clarify that, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, as we've got plenty of other AI topics for you. Back to language models and anomaly detection in particular. Yes, anomaly detection can be very effective at spotting unusual emails among hundreds of usual emails. But there's one thing you need to remember. Spam emails are very similar to marketing emails, with the main difference being the recipient's consent. Phishing emails are very similar to transactional emails, but instead of links to legitimate websites, they contain links to phishing sites that steal your personal information. Because of this similarity, anomaly detection may not consider a phishing email an anomaly, because it resembles a real transactional email. And it would have a hard time distinguishing spam, because it doesn't know if the recipient consented to receive that email. Anomaly detection could be helpful for mailbox providers as a gateway between the sender and the recipient. However, it wouldn't effectively prevent senders from abusing email service provider systems. The same goes for machine learning, deep learning, and other models. Many will convince you that AI is almighty, but it certainly isn't, especially for email security, as it has multiple significant vulnerabilities.
I'm God.
AI isn't enough to prevent email threats, as it makes mistakes and may skip obvious spam and phishing signals. Only one AI model can't analyze all factors, like sending statistics, to determine an email's legitimacy. You could potentially combine multiple models, but that would be very costly, and thus, it's not a common practice. AI models, including machine learning and deep learning, need extensive training data, including thousands of legitimate and spam emails. Even one spam email in the training dataset can decrease the quality of the results. These models also require frequent retraining to handle new spam and phishing tactics, making the process resource intensive. Certain illegitimate emails are extremely hard to classify. This can confuse AI, and it may start making bad decisions. Finally, AI is still prone to hallucinating. While newer models have fewer mishaps, there's still a chance that AI will make up the result. For example, if you use a language model chatbot to analyze an email or website content, but forget to provide complete data, it may start returning totally hallucinated answers. So, AI could be really bad for you sometimes. For example, Mailtrap found at least 6 email security approaches you should never use with AI, and made a video about it. Check that one out. See you there.